welcome to this update. So we have a concerning situation in parts of Europe because now they have two areas of level 3 for strong and severe thunderstorms. So one in parts of northern Italy, in another in parts of the Balkans there, and also 2 areas of level 2 and 5 areas of level 1. So let's see, and the general risk of thunderstorms in the yellow areas. A level 3 was issued for parts of northern Italy, mainly for very large hail, severe wind gusts, and the lesser degree for tornadoes. A level 3 was issued across eastern Austria and western Hungary, mainly for very large hail, damaging wind gusts and tornadoes. A level 2 was issued in a belt from northern Italy to Hungary, mainly for very large hail, severe wind gusts and heavy rainfall. A level 2 was issued from extreme southeastern Turkey and northeastern and northwestern Iran, mainly for very large hail and damaging wind gusts. A level 1 was issued for Spain and France, mainly for heavy rain. A level 1 was issued in a belt from Switzerland and northern Italy to Romania and Ukraine, mainly for large hail, severe wind gusts and heavy rainfall. A level 1 was issued across Sweden, Finland, Estonia, mainly for marginally severe wind gusts and tornadoes. A level 1 was issued across Turkey and Caucasus region, mainly for heavy rainfall and large hail. Jesus, so you heard all of that. Lots of stuff happening today. So let's see first northern Italy. We have this map here. So it shows some storms now, and then they dissipate, and then it starts showing some storms in northwestern Italy by 12 p.m. and then more storms start firing there in northern Italy, but by 4 o'clock in the afternoon it shows us some really strong ones firing in those areas of northern Italy, like very strong ones, and then they move northeast and more firing in other areas of northern Italy, and more storms on Monday still in some areas, but not many as today. And then here we can see Switzerland too. Many of the storms affect Switzerland and southeastern France. Lots of strong storms in southeastern France, but the severe ones that the European Storm Center was talking about are these ones here that will fire in northern Italy. And we don't have this high resolution model for Eastern Europe, only for Western Europe, so we can see in much detail the storms in the Balkans there in the other level 3. But let's try to show you what we can here. Let's see. So let's try to see with the Euro model the storms in Eastern Europe here hitting. So, but this isn't like a storm model to see the storms in high resolution, but we can try. So you can see some storms in Hungary now, and then later more storms in parts of Austria and Slovakia and more areas there. By Monday, some more storms in Hungary and Slovakia and more areas. It's showing lots of rainstorms on Monday there. On Tuesday, maybe some more, but not much. So let's try to see with this European icon here. So it shows some storms now there in Hungary and Slovakia, and then they will pass. And it doesn't show much in that area by the end of the day. Only on Monday it's showing a lots of rain and storms in Slovakia, Hungary, and those areas, but not much else today except for the line of storms moving now. Maybe a storm or two in the afternoon or night, or like in the middle of the night, but it's not showing much. But there's that level 3 in that area, so be careful. Let's see this other map here. So it shows lots of thunderstorms in Romania, parts of Serbia too, and Slovakia, and it's showing more in Slovakia by tonight, but not much stuff. More storms in Hungary tomorrow. Yeah, lots tomorrow in Romania, Hungary, Serbia. Lots of storms it's showing tomorrow there. But this afternoon it isn't showing anything crazy, just some scared strong storms there. But you all saw the level 3, so be careful please. And let's see, soon we will show you Western Europe, but let's see Turkey here really quick in some other areas. So we have some storms in northwestern Iran, like they said, this afternoon, especially early this afternoon. Many storms in Turkey, in parts of Syria too. And yeah, it's showing more concentration of thunderstorms more early this afternoon, and in Cyprus too, like through midday and early afternoon, many storms in Cyprus, so be aware. Let's see, some scared in parts of Greece, not areas. Let's see the north here. We have that level 1 in parts of southern Sweden and Russia and southern Finland. So let's see, we have some scattered storms in Sweden, more storms in parts of Finland, some storms in Latvia and other areas. But these models here don't show anything big. So, but better listen to these folks here. There's the level 1 there. So let's see Western Europe now. And these models always change too, so don't rely on what I'm showing you for everything in your day, because they change many times per day. So let's see, Spain and France here. We have many storms in northern Spain and northeastern Spain and southwestern France. Then it shows more storms in parts of northeastern Spain there, and in central southern France too. Lots of strong storms in southern France by this afternoon and evening, and some scattered storms in Portugal or western Spain, and some showers in the UK by Monday. So southern Germany too, some storms. Switzerland I already showed you, and everything. So let's see, there's this site here for France that they have some thunderstorm advisories, level 2 there for strong thunderstorms, and level 2 for heavy rain too in some areas there. So be aware. We have some warnings in Spain too for for heavy rains and thunderstorms and wind in some areas. So this is it. I think stay safe and please be careful with the storms.